Last week, the Senate passed the Respect for Marriage Act.
Many have been left wondering if the president signs this bill into law, does it mean that same-sex marriage is legal in all 50 states? Ariane Detail verifies.
The bill, as amended, has passed.
The Respect for Marriage Act is one step closer to being signed into law. The legislation passed the Senate on November 29th. It now sits with the House, where it's expected to pass and then be signed into law by President Joe Biden. The bill grants some protections for same-sex marriages.
Google Trends data shows people want to know if this bill would make same-sex marriage legal in all 50 states. So let's verify.
Our sources are the Respect for Marriage Act, the Defense of Marriage Act, Obergefell v. Hodges, and Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization. In 2015, the Supreme Court legalized same-sex marriage with their ruling in the landmark case Obergefell v. Hodges. In that decision, the court ruled that heterosexual and same-sex couples had equal rights to marriage in all 50 states under the 14th Amendment.
The court also said bans on same-sex marriages are unconstitutional.
Earlier this year, when the Supreme Court ruled on Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, which overturned Roe v. Wade, other constitutional rights guaranteed by the 14th Amendment, such as same-sex marriage, were called into question. If passed, the Respect for Marriage Act would provide some safeguards for same-sex marriages. For example, the bill would repeal the Defense of Marriage Act, which currently limits the definition of marriage to those between a man and a woman. It would ensure that the federal government recognizes marriage regardless of race, ethnicity, or sex, and it would also require all states to recognize all marriages conducted legally in other states. What the bill doesn't do, however, is require all 50 states to legalize same-sex marriage, or prohibit states from taking steps to ban or restrict same-sex marriage if that right, currently protected by the Supreme Court decision Obergefell v. Hodges, were ruled unconstitutional. So we can verify, no, the Respect for Marriage Act does not legalize same-sex marriage in all 50 states.
With your Verify, I'm Ariane Detail.
If there's something you'd like for us to verify, send us a message to our email. That's verify@12newsnow.com. You can also message us over social media.
All right, we